If you're a fan of versatile blushes that can go from subtle to radiant with a simple swipe, then the Cover FX Monochromatic Powder Blush Duo in Warm Honey might be your new go-to. This duo promises a warm, nude rose blush that works for all skin tones. Whether you're aiming for a matte finish or a shimmering glow, this compact has you covered. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive into the details and see if it's worth the hype. First off, let's talk about the product's core features. The Cover FX Monochromatic Powder Blush Duo combines two complementary shades in one compact, a matte and a shimmer finish. Both shades work in tandem, so you can either wear them solo or layer them for a custom look. The matte shade gives you that soft, natural flush, while the shimmer offers a high-impact glow to bring some dimension to your cheeks. You don't need to pick one or the other, which is ideal for those who like to experiment with their blush. In terms of application, this product is easy to incorporate into any beauty routine. The formula blends effortlessly, whether you're applying it in the morning rush or taking your time with a full glam look. I found it incredibly versatile, working just as well for a subtle daytime flush as for an evening look that demands a little extra glow. The matte shade is perfect for that healthy, just pinched color, while the shimmer shade adds a soft, luminous effect that isn't too overpowering. Layering them gives you a soft glow with just the right amount of warmth, ideal for anyone looking to add dimension to their complexion. One of the standout features of this product is its clean formulation. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from harmful ingredients, which is always a win. You can feel good about putting this on your skin, knowing it's safe and free from unnecessary additives. It's a great option for sensitive skin, especially if you're someone who's cautious about what you apply to your face. As for its wearability, the texture is soft and lightweight, blending seamlessly into the skin without feeling heavy or cakey. Whether you use it as a standalone blush or as a layering piece over a cream blush, it holds up well throughout the day, maintaining its vibrancy and staying power. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the versatility of the two finishes is a huge plus. You can create everything from a natural flush to a sculpted glow, and the formula blends like a dream. The packaging is sleek and compact, which makes it travel-friendly, and it's easy to dip a brush into without making a mess. Plus, the shade is universally flattering, so no matter your skin tone, this one is likely to complement your complexion beautifully. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a really intense blush, you may need to build up the product a bit to get the level of color you want, especially with the matte shade. But this can also be a pro if you prefer a more natural or buildable effect. As for value, it's in the mid to high range, but given the high quality, clean ingredients, and the fact that you get two shades in one compact, it feels like you're getting good bang for your buck. This isn't just another blush, it's a multi-dimensional product that gives you the option to mix and match finishes. If you're in the market for an alternative, there are definitely other blush duos out there that offer similar benefits, but they might not have the same level of versatility or clean formulation. For example, the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush offers a similar radiant finish, but with a higher price tag. If you're looking for something more affordable, a drugstore blush duo with matte and shimmer finishes, like the L'Oréal Paris True Match Blush, could be a good choice, though it won't have the same skin-friendly formula. When it comes to build quality, Cover FX has nailed it. The compact feels sturdy and luxurious without being heavy, and the product lasts for a decent amount of time before you need to repurchase. In terms of longevity on the skin, the blush stays vibrant and natural looking throughout the day, so you won't have to worry about touch-ups. If you're wondering about customer support, Cover FX has a great reputation for customer service. They're known for being responsive and accommodating, so if you ever run into issues with your product, you can expect to be well taken care of. As for product updates, I haven't seen any recent changes to this particular blush, but the fact that it's been a staple in many makeup bags for some time speaks volumes about its quality and consistent performance. So, who is this blush for? It's perfect for anyone who loves a natural glow and wants the flexibility to create multiple looks with one product. If you're someone who loves a matte blush, but also enjoys a bit of shimmer from time to time, this duo will fit seamlessly into your routine. It's also a great option if you're looking for a cruelty-free, vegan product that performs well without the use of harmful ingredients. Mid-review call to action. If you're finding this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this honest breakdown. Your support helps us continue to make genuine, informative reviews like this one. Final verdict. In the world of blushes, the Cover FX Monochromatic Powder Blush Duo in Warm Honey is a winner. It's versatile, clean, and flattering for all skin tones, and it gives you the ability to create a variety of looks with a single product. Whether you're a fan of matte or shimmer, or you want to experiment with both, this blush gives you options without compromise. If you're after a product that balances quality, performance, and ethical ingredients, I'd definitely recommend giving it a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this blush, you can find the link in the description or comments below. And if you've used this product before, drop a comment and share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.